Here's how to remove the 2021 Ford Bronco roof panels in Windows. Now, as we recently reported, swapping out the parts on the 2021 Ford Bronco was designed for to be a simple process. Now, thanks to the modular design, in fact, Ford says that the entire vehicle can be stripped down to its base structure and rebuilt with new doors, fenders, roof, and a different grille in just an afternoon. Now, we've already covered the process of removing the Bronco front fenders and the front grille, and now we're going to take a look at how easy it is to remove the 2021 Ford Bronco roof panels in Windows. Now, available modular 2021 Ford Bronco roof panels can be removed by one person using simple latches. Now, available modular rear quarter windows can be removed with minimal effort simply by releasing the latch for each window, while two people can remove the rear hardtop assembly after removing a few fasteners. Now, to remove the mold and color Ford Bronco hardtop roof panels, owners first have to turn the three I-shaped latches located on the driver's side panel. Now, next, pull down the fourth latch to free the panel. Now, if a roof rack is installed, the panel will catch on the door frame. Thus, the fourth latch must be closed so that the panel can then slide out. So it's quite simple and quite easy. Now, next, repeat these steps on the passenger side. Now, at this point, the front two panels can be removed and stored in an included bag in a cargo area. Now, continue removing the top on the roof rack equipped models. The rack must be removed next. First, take off the front roof rack cover fasteners, and then the roof rack covers can be taken out by pulling them toward the front. Now, the T30X hex tool is used to remove the front and the rear roof rack fasteners. Now, after everything is loose, a special tool provided by Ford removes the triangle shaped bolt. Now, at this point, the roof rack can be removed and two provided windshield caps can be installed to protect the roof rack mounted point bolts. And next, you disconnect the wire harnesses and the washer hose, and then the four screens holding the rear roof section in place. And finally, with the help of a friend or somebody, the rear roof section can be removed. Now, overall, it's relatively a simple process, though it's clear that having a roof rack installed complicates things just a little bit. So it's going to be quite easy. It's not difficult at all. And if you want to check this out, you can also go on Bronco Nation and actually check out the video on how to remove the 2021 Ford Bronco roof panels in Windows. AO Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.